Class 1, Worksheet 10, My Pet.
Hello, I'm Janvi. Look at the pictures of my dog, Tilly, and me. Read the sentences about us. Discuss them with your partner. Now, listen to my story and put a tick or a cross next to the given sentences. You will listen to the recording twice.
Janvi loves her pet dog, Tilly. She wants him to eat dates and dry toast. What Tilly likes most is a juicy bone. Tilly has a shiny furry coat because Janvi brushes him daily. She bought a new leash and a red collar for him. Janvi makes sure there is fresh water in his bowl every day. Tilly sleeps in his kennel, which is always clean. Tilly enjoys his morning run in the park. Janvi has trained him to fetch a ball. Janvi gets very angry when Tilly digs up the bushes. Tilly jumps around her legs when Janvi returns from school. Tilly loves to play with Janvi.
These words have the t sound. Top, table, time, tiger, tub, toy. These words have the d sound. Dip, dance, door, dig, doll, dice,